Hi, in the last video we learned how to perform division on algebraic expressions and focused on division of a monomial by another monomial. In this video we will learn division of a polynomial by a monomial. Let us begin. First, let us understand what a polynomial is. A polynomial is a mathematical expression made up of variables, coefficients and constants combined using only addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Also, the exponents, that is, powers of the variables, are whole numbers, that is, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, let us see a few examples of polynomials. 3x plus 7, it is a polynomial with one variable x. X cube plus 5xy square minus y plus 1. In this polynomial, there are two variables x and y, right? Let us see different types of polynomials based on the number of terms. First, there is monomial where there is only one term, right? And examples are 3x, 4y, 2x square. Okay. Then binomial when there are two terms. Couple of examples are 2x plus y, a minus c. Okay. Then in trinomial there are three terms. For example, x square plus 5x minus 3. Okay. Now let us divide a polynomial by a monomial. Let us divide 6x cube minus 9x square plus 3x by 3x, right? Let us solve it by first method. This is called factor method. In this method, we express each term of the polynomial in factor form. So this is our polynomial and it has three terms. So you can also call it as trinomial. The polynomial what we have is, let us write each term in factor form. 6x cube, we will write it as 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Then we have to multiply 3 times x. Multiply by x, multiply by x 2 times and multiply by x third time. Okay. Now 9x square, I will write it here. 9x squared, this is going to be 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, and we have to multiply 2 times x multiplied by x, right? And 3x, this is our third term, this is equal to 3 multiplied by x, right? Now notice here that 3 multiplied by x is common in each term, right? In first term we have 3 multiplied by x, in second term as well we have 3 multiplied by x, and in the third term we have 3 multiplied by x. So this is common in all three terms. So we separate 3 multiplied by x from each term, right? So let us write 6x cube minus 9x square plus 3x in the factor form. So here we have, so this is going to be, okay. So I have written this polynomial in its factor form where we have broken down each of the terms in their factor form. Okay. Now we need to separate 3x from each term, right? So that we have 3x as a common factor. So this is going to be 3 multiplied by x is nothing but 3x, and in the bracket from first term what is left, I have taken down 3 multiplied by x. So now we have 2 multiplied by x multiplied by x, right? That is 2x square, right? And from the second term we have 3 multiplied by x, that I have taken out 3 multiplied by x. So what is left, we have this 3 and this x remaining, that is 3x minus 3x, and from the third term we have taken 3x entirely, so it is going to be 1 plus 1, right? So now I am going to write this example in division form. So let us write it down. First polynomial we have 6x cube minus 9x square plus 3x, and this is divided by 3x, right? So this can be written as 6x cube minus 9x square plus 3x, and this entire polynomial is divided by 3x, right? This is equal to, we have just seen, so this polynomial can be written this way as well, where we have taken 3x common. I will write 3x here, 2x square minus 3x plus 1 and divided by 3x in the denominator, right? Since 3x is common in both numerator and denominator, or we can also say that since 3x appears as a common factor in both numerator and denominator, we cancel it. So this 3x and this 3x will cancel each other, and we are left with 2x square minus 3x plus 1, right? And this is the answer. Okay, so let us learn this division by a different method. Okay, so in this method, we divide each term of the polynomial by the monomial, right? So I will write this division as this is equal to, let us write it in division form, 6x cube minus 9x square. This is the same example as we have seen in the earlier slide, but we are going to solve it by a different method, right? 3x. So this is going to be, this is equal to, we have to divide each term separately. So first term 6x cube divided by 3x. Then second term is minus 9x square upon 3x. And the third term is plus 3x divided by 3x, right? Now let us solve each term separately. 6x cube divided by 3x, right? So first we have to divide both the coefficients, that is 6 divided by 3, this is 2, right? And we have to then divide the variable, that is x cube divided by x, and this is equal to x square. Okay, so 6x cube divided by 3x, or let us write it like this, 6x cube divided by 3x, this is equal to, we have coefficient as 2 and variable as x square, right? So this is what we have when we divide 6x cube by 3x. Now let us go to second term. This is our second term, 9x square minus 9x square upon 3x, right? So first I have to divide coefficient. So minus 9 upon 3 is equal to minus 3, right? Then I have to divide variable, x square divided by x is equal to x, right? So this is going to be, for the coefficients we have minus 3, and for the variable we have only x. Okay, so minus 9x square upon 3x is equal to minus 3x. Now let us move to third term. This is 3x divided by 3x, right? So here first I have to divide coefficients, that is 3 upon 3 is equal to 1, right? And then we have to divide variables, that is x upon x is equal to 1. Okay, so this is going to be 3 upon 3 is 1 and x upon x is 1, that is 1. 3x divided by 3x is 1. Okay, now we have to write the final answer. I will come here. For 6x cube by 3x, we have 2x square. I will write it here. Minus 9x square upon 3x, we just saw. And this is equal to minus 3x. Let us put it here. Minus 3x. And finally, 3x upon 3x is 1. This is what we have seen just now. Plus 1. Right? So, this is the answer. Okay. And in both the methods, we have seen the same answer, that is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. This we have seen by method 2. And I will move to method 1 and I will show you the answer. If you see here, this is our answer. We got by method 1. 2x square minus 3x plus 1, right? Okay, in this video, we learned how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. We began by understanding what a polynomial is and looked at a few examples, right? Then we solved the division using two different methods. So in the first method, we expressed each term in factor form, took out the common factor and cancelled it with the denominator, right? And in the second method, we divided each term of the polynomial separately by the monomial by dividing the coefficients and subtracting the exponents, right? And we have seen that both methods give the same final answer. Okay, so hope you understood the concept. In my next video, I will bring more examples. Thank you for watching.